Alright, welcome to Conspiracy. It's late night and we're peeling an apple, but I think eventually we'll turn it to vanilla sundae with cinnamon apples on top. Ah, shit, my wiener dogs are barking. They do that, I'm not talking about weird things with wiener dogs. I just think they're the best companions you could possibly have. So you're going to peel your apple and then you're going to dice it up. Try for a uniform size because then they'll cook evenly. But we'll see. Yeah, it's Kiko. Well, that's like a little dog in rice in Italian. Yeah, so put your butter in your pan. Yeah, you know what to do. Just put it in the fucking pan and turn the heat on. It ain't that difficult. Low heat, you're going to brown a little bit. Because then you're going to throw your apples in and then some brown sugar and, I think that's it. I don't know. I'll watch this film and we'll see. But, yeah, I think that's right. I forgot cinnamon. You want a lot of cinnamon in there and it'll be beautiful. They'll brown up nicely. Yeah. It's not rocket science. Cinnamon and brown sugar goes together very beautifully. Oh shit, it's 5 a.m. I'm making this video. Yeah, stir that shit up. Ah, fuck, the wiener dogs are going crazy and it's okay. YouTube censored me. Yeah, throw that brown sugar in there. Yeah, stir out. Yeah, you don't want your apples to get too dry. You can add water, you can add cream, you can add butter, But yeah, don't let them dry out, Don't let them burn, It ain't rocket science. Yeah, think about the filling of the apple pie. That's what you're going for here because you're going to put that hot filling or the apples on top of vanilla ice cream. It ain't rocket science. Ah, fuck. Scoop the ice cream. Ah, shit. Sorry, I didn't mean to say fuck. Ah, shit, I said it again. Scoop the ice cream and put your apples on top. Okay, that's winner. We'll take that one, right? Oh, man, I'm going to have to echo the shit out of this situation, but it'll be all good. I'll try it. It'll work out. Num.